This privacy tutorial is for those of you that use Reddit. And Reddit dubs itself as the front page of the internet. Let's get right into making Reddit a lot more private for those of you that use it. Start by clicking on the down arrow next to your avatar in Reddit. Yes, you have to log into Reddit to make these changes. Click on that down arrow. Once you get here, click on User Settings. When this opens, we want to go to Safety and Privacy. And once you get here, we've got a whole bunch of things that we want to uncheck. Show up in search results, turn it off. Personalize all Reddit based on the outbound links you click on, turn it off. Personalize ads based on information from our partners. Bye-bye. Personalize ads based on your activity with our partners. Turn that one off as well. Personalize recommendations based on your general location. Turn it off. Last but not least, personalize recommendation based on your activity with our partners. And that will make things a whole lot more private if you're using Reddit. Stay safe, stay secure, and stay a little more private. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.